Hello and welcome to Let's Converse. This is the third episode today, and I'm your friend Sarwar Alam. So, once again, today we are going to talk about a very important and critical thing, and that's the habit. Yes, I have chosen today to speak on habit, and one habit which is very critical and first and the foremost and the most basic habit of highly effective people. Yes, there are two kinds of people in this world, and one is highly effective people, another is highly ineffective people. What differentiate highly effective people from highly ineffective people are the habits. So habits are critically important. We are normally not mindful of that. So I am gonna recognize you those habits, and I am going to help you to understand those habits so that you can choose them, practice them, and differentiate yourself from ineffective people to become the highly effective people. So that one habit which I have chosen today to speak on is proactiveness. Stephen R. Covey, in a very famous and popular book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, he has defined this proactiveness as it is more than taking initiatives. What does it mean? It means we are responsible for our lives. We have to take the responsibility. What is responsibility? If you look at responsibility, it is responsibility, ability to respond. Yes, now I will tell you one very important thing here. You know the popular theory, stimulus and response. Stimulus causes the response. We respond, in view of the stimulus we have. But between stimulus and response, there is very, very critical and important thing lying. And that is the freedom of choice, the power of choice. And that freedom of choice and power of choice differentiates human being from animals. And proactive people master and control that power of choice. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? I will make you understand it. So I will tell you some examples of proactive people and highly effective people who are proactive and ineffective people who are reactive. So now you understand highly effective people are proactive, and there is another category. They are the reactive people, and they are the highly ineffective people. They respond according to the stimulus. What does it mean? It means the conditions, circumstances, and conditioning govern their behavior. Their behavior is the product of conditions, circumstances, and conditioning, not the values. They are guided by the feelings. On the other hand, proactive people, their behavior is the product of the well thought out responses, internalized and chosen responses. They master that art. A stimulus is there that will provoke the response, but they have the power of choice and they choose how to respond and what to respond. So, for example, a reactive person may say, that is what I cannot do anything about. But a proactive person will say that let us look at our alternative. There is the difference. A reactive person may say that is what I am. And a proactive person will say that I can change my approach. So that is the difference. You understand what is happening. Here, the proactive people are controlling their response. Reactive people are just being guided by the circumstances. It is very hot, my mood is off, I cannot walk today. But proactive people behaviors are guided by the values they have set in there for lives. So, the shyness of the sun and the dampness of the cloud doesn't help them to change their mood and all that. They are very much firm and determined to achieve something. That is only because they have guided their behaviors by the values, not by the feelings. So you have to master that power of response. One may provoke you to be angry. For example, a reactive person may say that he gets me mad. A proactive person says, I choose my own response. I control my own feelings and anger, and I choose how to respond to that. So then reactive people don't see any opportunities for the actions and growth, while proactive people, they choose the alternatives and they do whatever they want to do, and that's why they are highly effective people and the reactive people are highly ineffective people. Now choice is yours. So please try to master that power of response and freedom of response, and control your responses and make it guided by your values, not by the feelings. I hope it will help you a lot in the life and the future. Please respond in the comment box and subscribe to the channel and wait for the next episode, which is gonna be more interesting. Take care and bye.